Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking chicken pieces and I'm going to oven bake. So I've got a chicken here that I'm going to cut into small pieces. So for me, I'll cut the leg first. So you can cut the chicken in a however way you want, but this is how what I'll do. I'll cut the legs first, just like that. Just separating the leg and then cutting the wings. So I'm looking for the joint of the wing, so just right there cut the and then just pull just like that. So it's a budget way of cooking chicken. If you can cut it into small pieces that is that can feed a family of 5 or 6. Yeah, this is how I cut the chicken. So now just cutting the leg and the thigh. So this is a lot of pieces, guys, just from one chicken. Make sure please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Subscribe if you can, and let me know how you make your chicken. So this is a budget friendly way of making chicken. Just cutting the chicken into pieces, and in total you can end up with like 15 pieces or so. So guys, this is the chicken here. So remember, the chicken is washed and cleaned, and rinsed. So for the marinade, I'm going to add some honey. So you can add about 3 tablespoons of honey. So adding some chicken seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, or pepper seasoning, onion seasoning, garlic powder, some paprika. So just mixing this marinade, and make sure I marinate the chicken before I put in the oven. So marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, now that the chicken is marinated, I'm going to get an oven baking tray and put the chicken in the oven. Guys, you can bake the chicken in the oven for about an hour, 180 degrees. For me, I'm using a fan forced oven, so which means it's quite fast. So 1 hour, depending with the type of oven you're using. But for me, it was like nice and gentle baking. After 1 hour, guys, this is how the chicken looks. Nice in a barbecue, honey barbecue chicken, and just garnish with whatever herbs you've got, and very nice and tasty and easy to make. Thank you for watching.